Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Akashdeep Kaur. Hope you all doing good. So I know it's been long. I haven't uploaded any tutorial or any video on my channel. Really sorry for that. So yeah, today's video gonna worth that bit I guess, because today's video is the recreation of the look I was wearing on my sibling's wedding ceremony. So yeah, let's get started. I will start my makeup by prepping my skin. So for that I'm gonna apply this Good Vibes facial oil. So I'm taking a pump on my face and massaging it on all over and give it some seconds to set on my face. I wanted this video to be chit chat kind of video, but that was not possible due to some reasons. Further, I'm taking this Good Vibes coffee lip balm and applying it on my lips to keep my lips hydrated. Next, starting makeup by applying primer. This is Belle Voste primer. All the products I'll be using in the tutorial or in this video will be mentioned in the description box. And yeah, next, to conceal my dark circles and pigmented areas, I'm gonna use this orange corrector. Now I am dabbing the product into my skin using my ring finger. After that I will use beauty sponge to blend the product. I will use this sponge in dabbing motion you do. And now I am setting the product with compact powder so that when I will apply the foundation or any base it will not move. Next I am using my Maybelline Fit Me foundation. And using this beauty sponge I'm blending it. So do blend the product into your hairlines, ears and neck so that you get that natural or even look. Next I'm filling my brows. For that, first of all I will grow my brows and then I will outline my brows as shown, and then I'll be filling the gaps in small strokes. Again grooming my brows with this spoolie. Now next, using this Maybelline Fit Me concealer in light shade I guess, and then applying it under my eyes and nose and outlining my brows to get that sharp and clean look. By doing so you can also rectify your mistake in while grooming your eyebrows. Next, with this flat fluffy brush I am spreading or blending the concealer. So this Maybelline Fit Me concealer looks best when you blend it with a beauty sponge. So yeah, doing so. Next, taking this Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contour Palette. With this I am setting my face with banana powder. Next, moving to eyes makeup, I am taking my favorite palette and taking that brown color on a fluffy brush. I'm putting that color on my crease and blending it. Next, on a flat shader brush I have picked up that beautiful olive green color which has a golden flecks in it, and depositing the color into my outer V and then taking it towards inner corner or to the center eyelid, and then to blend the edges and to get that flawless look I am blending the product again. Now picking that champagne golden color I am highlighting my inner corners, and now taking this Swiss Beauty liquid highlighter on a concealer brush I am creating that soft cut crease, half cut crease with this brush as shown. So yes, picking same brown color and applying it on my lower lash line. Now applying this Wet n Wild calling your buff kajal. Moving back to face, I'm taking that contour shade from the same Wet n Wild palette and contouring my usual areas like cheekbones, forehead, jawline, side of the nose. And now to cut Or to clean my contour, I am using that banana powder. Now contouring my nose. So there is some editing issues in this clip. Sorry for that. Now for the blush, I am taking this Maybelline Fit Me blush. It is a beautiful peachy blush. So nowadays I love to blush out my nose, chin as well. Now blending my real lashes with falsies using this hyper curl mascara. It's magic time, it's highlighting time. I am highlighting my apples of the cheek, forehead, nose, brow bone, cupid bows. So it is a pink highlighter. I'm in love with this highlighter. Highlighting my inner corners and brow bone with this. For the lips, I have used Sugar Smudge Me Not Red lipstick.